Welcome to the MS English 500 Vital Synonyms. Stand, rise, start, begin, stay, remain, steal, rob, stop, halt, store, keep, stray, wander, stress, pressure, study, learn, succeed, achieve, suggest, propose, support, help, suppress, control, surprise, amaze, surround, enclose, sweep, clean, swim, float, take, grab, talk, speak, teach, instruct, tell, inform, thank, appreciate, think, consider, throw, toss, tie, fasten, touch, feel, train, teach, travel, journey, treat, handle, try, attempt, turn, rotate, understand, comprehend, use, employ, visit, go to, wait, stay, walk, stroll, want, desire, warn, advise, watch, observe, win, triumph, wish, hope, work, labor, worry, concern, write, record, yell, shout, agree, consent, angry, furious, bad, poor, beautiful, lovely, big, huge, brave, courageous, bright, radiant, busy, occupied, calm, peaceful, cheap, inexpensive, clean, tidy, clever, smart, cold, chilly, dark, gloomy, difficult, hard, easy, simple, empty, vacant, famous, well known, fast, quick, fat, overweight, friendly, kind, full, complete, generous, kind, good, fine, happy, glad, hard, tough, heavy, weighty, honest, truthful, hot, warm, kind, caring, large, big, late, delayed, lazy, idle, light, bright, little, small, long, lengthy, loud, noisy, lucky, fortunate, modern, contemporary, narrow, tight, near, close, new, fresh, old, ancient, poor, needy, powerful, strong, quick, fast, quiet, silent, rich, wealthy, right, correct, safe, secure, short, brief, simple, easy, slow, sluggish, small, tiny, smart, clever, soft, smooth, strong, powerful, sweet, sugary, tall, high, thin, slim, tight, close fitting, ugly, unattractive, warm, hot, weak, feeble, wet, damp, wide, broad, wise, clever, young, youthful, angry, mad, quiet, calm, funny, amusing, angry, upset, happy, joyful, sad, unhappy, big, enormous, small, petite, brave, fearless, smart, bright, fast, rapid, slow, leisurely, rich, affluent, poor, destitute, beautiful, gorgeous. ugly, hideous, hot, scorching, cold, freezing, young, juvenile, old, aged, strong, sturdy, weak, frail, light, pale, dark, dim, soft, gentle, hard, firm, clean, spotless, dirty, filthy, full, packed, empty, bare, good, excellent, bad, terrible, easy, effortless, difficult, arduous, quick, swift, slow, sluggish, funny, humorous, angry, irritated, happy, cheerful, sad, sorrowful, big, gigantic, small, mini, brave, valiant, smart, intelligent, fast, speedy, slow, slothful, rich, well off, poor, impoverished, beautiful, stunning, ugly, unpleasant, hot, boiling, cold, icy, young, new, old, elderly, strong, mighty, weak, delicate, light, luminous, dark, shadowy, soft, cushy, hard, solid, clean, pure, dirty, grimy, full, loaded, empty, vacant, good, fine, bad, awful, easy, simple, difficult, tough, quick, rapid, slow, leisurely, funny, entertaining, angry, mad, happy, pleased, sad, downcast, big, large, small, little, brave, courageous, smart, clever, fast, brisk, slow, lagging, rich, wealthy, poor, needy, beautiful, lovely, ugly, unattractive, hot, warm, cold, cool, young, youthful, old, aged, strong, forceful, weak, fragile, light, bright, dark, dim, soft, gentle, hard, rigid, clean, tidy, dirty, messy, full, complete, empty, hollow, good, excellent, bad, poor, easy, effortless, difficult, arduous, quick, fast, slow, sluggish, funny, humorous, angry, upset, happy, joyful, sad, unhappy, big, huge, small, tiny, brave, fearless, smart, bright, fast, rapid, slow, leisurely, rich, affluent, poor, destitute, beautiful, gorgeous, ugly, hideous, hot, scorching, cold, freezing, young, juvenile, old, aged, strong, sturdy, weak, frail, light, pale, dark, dim, soft, gentle, hard, firm, clean, spotless, dirty, filthy, full, packed, empty, bare, good, excellent, bad, terrible, easy, effortless, difficult, arduous, quick, swift,